So how Shiva has put before 3 out of 10, now I believe that is 7 out of 10. Very nice. Can we give a big round of applause to him? Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Dhananjay says, when it started, it was 2 and now it is 6. Very nice. Can we give a big round of applause? Kadian, very nice. Great, 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 great. Then, Vijay Lakshmi, I would like you to put it, 6 earlier, 10, 8 now. Great, great, great. Before 3, now it is 6. Yeah. Before 4, now 8. Great. Lovely. MSK, very nice. Good. Everybody has had some decent growth. Very nice. Love that. Great. Is there anybody who is left out? Welcome. Welcome has not put. Welcome is our... Trevor, no, 2 and 7. Very nice. Great, great, great. Thank you for putting it out there. Yeah. And please be honest. There is nothing that, yeah. Great. Has everybody accounted for? Everybody has put? Great. Thank you so much. The reason is, time to time, if we have an assessment, a self-assessment is the best assessment. We have an assessment, we know where we are, and also helps us to grow much more.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. BK Dhoop, Dr. Purni, Anjuji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.